Prince Harry has reached a financial settlement with Mirror Group newspapers over the remaining part of his phone hacking claim. His lawyer says the Duke of Sussex will be in line for a substantial additional sum by way of damages before criticising Piers Morgan, who was editor of the tabloid.
Please welcome Prince Harry.
With Prince Harry back in the US, his lawsuit against the Mirror was back in court. For one final time, after a 4-year fight, he settled. His statement read outside the High Court.
We call again for the authorities to uphold the rule of law and to prove that no one is above it. That includes Mr. Morgan, who as editor knew perfectly well what was going on as the judge held. Even his own employer realised it simply could not call him as a witness of truth at the trial. His contempt for the court's ruling and his continued attacks ever since demonstrate why it was so important to obtain a clear and detailed judgment.
Harry took on Mirror Group and won. His case last year proved there was widespread hacking, and senior executives, including former editor Piers Morgan, knew about it. The Duke of Sussex has now accepted a substantial sum for his other outstanding claims. Those close to Harry's case say it's a victory.
They manufacture lies, both inside court and outside court. They try and undermine you. They go after your family, and they went after his wife and said terrible things about her. So it's justice for him, really.
Good afternoon.
Piers Morgan has hit back.
Invading the privacy of the royal family is utterly reprehensible. And on that, I share Prince Harry's opinion. I just wish he'd stop doing it.
What about you? Do you wish you hadn't done it?
Harry gave evidence in person, but wasn't here this time, although he'd been in London on Tuesday visiting the King.
What's striking here isn't the fact Prince Harry has settled. This was never about the money. It's the sentiment in his statement. He clearly feels fired up about his outstanding cases with the publishers of The Sun and the Daily Mail.
Mirror Group said it was pleased to have reached an agreement. Harry now has other tabloids in his sight. In his own words, the mission continues. Laura Bundock, Sky News.